Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe today.
You want it? It's 2 streets up. It said triple.
We got an order of poutine to start because gotta get it at least once while in Canada. And here we go, we got the fish and chips for dinner.
So you're Roger.
I'm Roger.
Okay, just read the rules, Roger.
Yep.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Paparazzi ready?
Yep.
Here we go. You can drink it fast. You can drink it slow. But your lips must touch this gnarly toe. Just your lips. No teeth. No tongue. No tonsils.
Okay. That's
There you go. You got her. He likes it. So Roger,
sweet.
here's the evidence
Nice.
of your folly. Welcome to the club, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Fist bump.
You betcha. Paparazzi ready?
Yep.
You can drink it fast. Drink it slow. But your lips must touch this gnarly toe. Just your lips. No teeth, no tongue, no tonsils. Skull. You got her. So Dane, here's the evidence of your folly.
Thank you.
Welcome to the club. Now, we recommend you laminate those and frame them.
The dempster. I can see him on the ground right there. I can see it on the ground. See about this, boys.
You want to eat at the restaurant, right?
Yeah. the deluxe burger with potato salad. Stopped at the Wolf It Down. Got a cherry turnover, apple turnover, some gas. Now he's choking on a muffin. We're going down Highway 37 next. Well, we're doing rim repair now. Well, we just had lunch at the Red Tin Rooster. Chicken tenders and potato wedges. Got some gas, so now we're off. Don't put out the bugs. Look at that, it's all just, it's trees and then it's bushes and then it's pine trees and then it's mountain. Oh! It's like them are fighting words. Wow, that's a big bear. Black one. That's a black bear. There's a bear crawling right out of the woods. Well, I got a watermelon bubbly for dinner, salt and vinegar potato chips, and a spicy Italian with smoky honey mustard since I didn't have any normal honey mustard.